Hey YouTube, Doug here from Bestie Custom Fab. Today I'm just doing a quick tip on some aluminum, so stick around, it's coping techniques. Okay, well today's just a quick one, quick tips. I'm building a triangular frame. It's just a sprayer boom. It'll have a lot more to it. There's some nozzle holders and some gussets to go in, but this is just a quick video about how you can build something to have no ends to cap, especially something triangular like this. You tend to have somewhere that you have to cap it, an open end on a square tubing or something. So here's what I've done. Basically I build the ends first on this nifty template that I use. The little trick that I use is I leave a 1/8 gap. I cut this bottom piece 1/4 of an inch shorter, or whatever two wall thicknesses is, and then I notch these guys. They're all coped out, and essentially that fills up the 1/8 gap I've left, and this guy should pop right in there. And then let's do this too. Let's put the top on just for kicks. There and there. Line that up, and no ends to cap. Weld all the way around and be done with it. Nothing worse than capping a bunch of ends if you don't have to. So that's my quick tip. I hope you enjoyed it. Bestie Custom Fab, rock and roll.